everyone, Priyanka here. Today I am introducing basic strokes of brush pen calligraphy. But before this, I have something to show you. If you see, here I have written some lowercase letters. Letter A, letter B, letter C and letter D. And if you see, in each and every letter, there is a specific stroke. Like this. In letter A, first of all there is an oval. This is oval plus another turn. Which makes letter A. This is letter A. And in letter B also there is a stroke. First is this. This. And second is which makes letter B. This is letter B. So if you see carefully, in letter A and letter B, there is a specific stroke. So there are 8 basic strokes which we will use in brush pen calligraphy. And the line of the between brush pen calligraphy stroke is 2 centimeter. Here it is. So now, today we will start basic strokes of brush pen calligraphy. And the line of the distance is 2 centimeter. But before this, again I have something to show you. This is the brush pen and there is a special technique to hold the brush pen. Like this, if we will write something in a normal way, so pen will be held like this, straight. Pen will be held in a straight form. But if we will write something in a brush pen calligraphy style, so pen will be slightly different. Not like this, it will be like this from right hand side. Not like this, straight, not, it will be held like this. Like this. Pen will be whole from right hand side, not straight, because if we will write from the straight, so there will be no difference. Up stroke, down stroke, up, down. See, if I write with a normal pen, normal straight pen, so there will be no difference. But if I write like this from right hand side, so difference will be differentiate. Up, down, up, down, up stroke and down stroke. See, that's why we have to hold the pen with special technique, which is right hand side, not from straight, right hand side. So today's first stroke is up stroke. First stroke is up stroke. So pen will be held like this from slightly right hand side. Up stroke will be go like this. This is the first stroke of brush pen calligraphy, which is up stroke. also. So this is the first and basic stroke of brush pen calligraphy, which is upstroke. And please remember, because there is a special technique to hold a brush pen. Pen will be held slightly different from right hand side, not like this. It will be held from this side. So this is for today. We have learned first basic stroke, upstroke. You have to practice these a lot to get pro in brush pen calligraphy. And in next video, we will learn some more basic stroke of brush pen calligraphy. And if you like the video, hit the like button, share it and subscribe the channel also. Thank you.